Morning, guys. Yesterday we have seen the derivation of relationship between shear force, load, and bending moment. So today we are going to see what are the definition of shear force, bending moment, shear force diagram, and bending moment diagram. So usually, what is shear force? A shear force at a section in a beam is a force which tries to shear off the section. So see, if this is one section, imagine that this is a beam and this side it is a beam. Okay, this is a cross section of beam, two cross sections. So when two cross sections tries to slide on each other, that is called as shear force. Okay, that itself, it means shear force at a section, at this section in a beam is a force that tries to shear off this section, and it is obtained by algebraic sum of all the forces including the reaction acting normal to the axis either on the left hand side or right hand side of the section. So let me show you this in a diagram. So see here, if this is the beam, this at a section, if I apply the force, either this part of or this part will try to shear off like this. Okay, then there will be many forces on this and many forces on this which will try to shear off. So and it is obtained, the shear force at this point is obtained by algebraic sum of all the forces including the reactions. So even if these are the reactions or the two supports, so algebraic sum of all the forces including the reactions acting normal, so acting normal to the axis. So if this is the axis of the beam, so all these are acting normal. Okay, this straight, not nothing like this or like this, it's acting normal. Either from the left side you have to do the summation or all the right side summations. So consider only the left side. Left side, this plus this plus this plus this all will give you shear force at this section, or all the forces on the right hand side, this plus this plus this plus this, all the summation means it can be either plus or it can be either minus. Okay, so it is obtained by that. Next, what is bending moment diagram? Sorry, bending moment at a section in a beam is the moment which tries to bend the section. So see here, so bending moment at this point only, let us take, if this is the bending moment which tries to bend the beam, so beam will bend like this. It tries to bend the beam at this section, and it is obtained by summation of all the bending moments including the moment due to reaction either from the left hand side of the beam or right hand side of the beam, same it is. So moment, so these are the forces. Okay, so force into distance will give you moment. So it is the summation of all the force into distance, either it may be of the reaction or it may be of the loading from the left hand side or right hand side. Okay, next, it is shear force diagram. So what is SFD, shear force diagram? A diagram which in which ordinate means y-axis y-axis shows or represents the shear force, and abscissa represents the position of the section is called as SFD. So see a figure in which y-axis shows the various shear force, so shear force at this point, shear force at this point, and x-axis, x, this is x, this is y. X-axis shows this position, say at 2 meter, at 4 meter or 5 meter. At 1 meter it is shear force this much, at 2 meter it is this much, at 4 meter it is this much. So this is the shear force diagram. Similarly, a diagram in which the ordinate represents the bending moment, same thing, and the x-axis represents the position of the section is called as bending moment diagram. Okay, now let us move on towards one table. You can copy down this as a, not this, you can write down the date of today's 10/20. So I'll make some table for you. Okay, you please understand this table. So these is types of loads. This is just for your purpose. Okay, this is beam, this is SFD, this is BMD. Okay, on the beam, if the load is point load, then the shear force diagram will come straight. Bending moment diagram will go straight inclined, straight, okay, straight incline. If on the beam the load is UDL, UDL can also be expressed as like this. You can see it's a straight line with the loads all arrow marks downwards. So this is a straight line here. Since this is a straight line, in SFD it will go straight inclined, and BMD it will go parabolic. Next, UVL. If the loading is UVL, uniformly varying load, already it is inclined here. So since it's already inclined here, it will go slight parabolic, then hyperbolic. It will be a very high type bending moment line. Okay, so please understand this table, and from next class we'll start up with the, and please write down those definitions also. Okay, thank you.